Welcome back everybody, Pedro here with another video. Just want to welcome you guys to my channel. Also wanted to let you know that in today's video, we're going to be going in depth and doing a market analysis on Bitcoin and Ethereum. So if this interests you guys, make sure you watch to the very end of this video. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
You got it, dude.
And comments below. Appreciate all the support, guys, as well as hit that notification bell so you get notified every single time I post a video. With that being said, guys, let's dive in. Today I just basically want to go over with you guys kind of what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. As you guys can see, this is the Bitcoin chart. So we're just going to be doing a quick analysis, a quick breakdown as to what I'm seeing in the charts. So for those of you that are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well, and hit that notification bell so you get notified every single time I post a video. And if you do find this video informative, please consider hitting that like button as well. Always love hearing from you guys as well. So let's get started, guys. So let's take a look at kind of what we see price doing. And you know, even if we go back in history, we can see that Bitcoin, you know, has been consolidating for a bit, and most recently we saw this big push, you know, within the last couple months, right? We did see this big push here. We got our nice healthy correction to previous resistance, and so what we're seeing is that price is pushing back up. We're seeing that nice bullish momentum. That's what we want to see. Price has been holding, which is awesome. So we have been seeing this nice clean upwards trend, and so we are reaching, again, we're at 62,620. We are reaching another key level, potentially, you know, breaking these all-time highs, right, for this bull market. So you know, by all means, you know, I'm not a financial advisor, so you know, trade at your own risk. You know, don't take this is my own personal opinion, don't take it as financial advice. But with that being said, guys, I want to show you guys what I'm looking at and kind of what my outlook is on, you know, the current price for Bitcoin in the short term as well as in the long term. So make sure you stick to the very end, because I'm going to be going over what I'm seeing in the markets and basically getting more in detail. So all right, so let's begin. So basically what we're looking at here, we did see that price obviously going way back a couple months, you know, back at the beginning of the year, price was starting to pull back down. We weren't sure what was going on. On the long, like, macro scale, we knew, and at least I knew for sure, and many of us knew, that Bitcoin still had more gas in it. And again, you know, things could, you know, if Bitcoin does reject this level, then I mean, that wouldn't be good. So you know, we are seeing that you know, fundamental you know, news and stuff that's coming out, which is good, right? We're seeing lots of great positive news about Bitcoin, and that's the type of stuff we want to see, right? But for those of you that are trying to figure out more of the technical side of things and figuring out, okay, how do I analyze the charts? Obviously, like, this takes a lot of time and effort. But with that being said, guys, let's dive in, and as you guys you know, practice more and more, you'll be able to kind of understand how to read the charts and basically go from there. So right now, the most important thing is just making sure that Bitcoin, we still continue this nice bullish momentum. We could expect Bitcoin to create another pullback. Potentially, we could expect another pullback to this area here. Now, again, we did already see price kind of pull back a tad bit here, consolidate a bit until it then pushed up here, right? But don't be surprised if the price does pull back down to this area over here before actually pushing to the upside. Now, for those of you that are wondering, like, how high could Bitcoin go? Well, I mean, the sky's the limit. But talking about short term, guys, what I'm seeing is once price does break this key level here, as you can see over here at around 63,000 to about 64,000, which was the previous all-time high at the beginning of this year, I will definitely see a strong bull. I could feel that it'll be a strong push up to the upside. And then basically the way I see price, where I could see price going or leading to could potentially be, I would say, basically what I would say, I could potentially see price reaching around the 75,000 mark, within the near future, right? I can't tell you, right away exactly or whatever it can be, but we could see that's nice, strong, bullish momentum, right? So price is showing and respecting that bullish sentiment. We don't know what that top is, right? We don't know exactly, but I could definitely see price, reach anywhere between the 75,000 range and between the 80. That's kind of what I'm seeing right now. Again, nothing is set in stone. But again, right, this is kind of what I'm looking at in terms of the fib. Again, we could push this over here and say, hey, this is the top over here. And then potentially, we could see a 75,000 top. That's another scenario, right? So again, we, like what I said, right? So price could be, we've got this push here, let's say, because this is a previous resistance, price is gonna, struggle maybe a tad bit here, or it might just push up straight, right? So let's say that's the top there. We could see that price could potentially come back here to this area over here and create some sort of a pullback before it actually spikes up, right? So price could come back down, retest, and then push back up to around 75,000. And then once it breaks this key level over here, which is the resistance here, we can definitely see a strong momentum. We could expect a strong push to the upside. So that's kind of my outlook on it right now, guys. Obviously, we gotta, take it every step, like day by day, right? There's nothing 100% set in stone. So again, remember, we could expect some sort of a pullback to this key level over here before we could expect price to continue going any further, right? Or again, it could push up and then create a pullback, create some sort of a support on previous resistance, and then push to the upside. So lots of great different scenarios here, guys. So I just wanted to kind of go over what I'm looking at in terms of Bitcoin. And yeah, so I mean, similar scenario with Ethereum. I mean, Ethereum is a tad bit different right now, but we can see the previous all-time high over here. Price is kind of rejecting another all-time high area. So I mean, basically what I'm looking at here, I'm just going to eliminate this here. Yeah, so I mean, we are seeing on the larger scale, we are seeing like higher highs, and higher lows, which is good. You know what I mean? That's what we want to see. But this also, we're seeing, this level over here, it's rejecting. If this level rejects here, then what I'm seeing on the bigger scale is that Ethereum could potentially have one more leg to the downside, maybe to around this key level over here, back down to around the 3,000 range, before it actually breaks to the upside, right? So I mean, who knows, it could be creating some sort of a wedge, right, before it actually pushes to the upside. Again, guys, like we this is a technical perspective, right? So but I want to show you guys kind of what I'm looking at. And again, right, this is a key area that price did previously reach, right? So once we do see a break of this area, we could expect price to push high. We could see a strong expect a strong momentum push, and then obviously always when there is a strong push like that, we should definitely expect a pullback. So something to keep in mind, guys. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys a little bit of an outlook on what I'm looking at in terms of Bitcoin right now and Ethereum. But if you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate to comment below. I appreciate you guys, appreciate all the support I've received with my channel. And if you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask, guys. Again, I'm not, I'm not a full professional or anything like that. I'm just a normal guy, just like you guys. So don't be afraid to comment below any video suggestions or anything that you would like me to cover, and I would be more than happy to help you guys out. That is all for today, guys. I will be posting another video on Thursday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Again, I post videos every single Tuesday and Thursdays. And if you guys are enjoying these videos, please let me know. Hit that thumbs up, as well as comment below and let me know that you did enjoy this video and you found it informative. That way it really helps. I appreciate all the support as well, guys. And over time, if you guys are finding these videos are very, very helpful, I can start doing them more and more often. So yeah, that's all for today, guys. I appreciate all the support. Thanks so much for watching till the end of this video, and I will catch you guys till next time.